Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now you need to type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Over here click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Slave Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!